In today's video, we're doing up some Vortex wings on the Weber Kettle. Hey, this is Ricer from Dead Broke Barbecue, Wisconsin, and welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, we try to help you enhance and amplify your backyard barbecue fun. In today's video, I'm doing up some Vortex wings on a Weber Kettle, and this is part 2 to part 1 of our Happy 4th of July video series. If you're not sure what a Vortex is, it's just a stainless steel cone that goes in the bottom of the Weber Kettle and you put your charcoal in it. I call it a blast furnace because dang almighty old God, it gets really hot above that coals and it pushes straight up right into that Weber Kettle and it makes that heat go right around all them delicious wings. And make sure you watch until the end because you're gonna see the old Ricer make a big boo-boo. So grab your Vortex and your Weber Kettle, Charlie. We're gonna do up some Vortex wings on a Weber Kettle.
All right, so our ribs are getting close to being wrapped, but we're gonna do some chicken wings also. So let's go ahead, set up a full chimney with charcoal, and get it lit. Go ahead and light up these wax cubes. And we also have our Vortex in the bottom here because we're gonna do some Vortex wings. Go ahead and set your chimney right on top. And then we're gonna just wait until that starts to ash over. And then we'll go ahead and dump that charcoal right in that Vortex and we're gonna start doing up some chicken wings. I'll show you how we're gonna season them. We're using suckle busters for that. Okay, so we're just gonna start coating up these chicken wings right now. And we're gonna actually end up doing a 2 batch on these. So this is the first pack. And these are organic. I don't really know if it means anything, but some people might look at that as a bonus. But that's what my buddy Dale supplied us. Flip them over. And what we're using today is some Suckle Busters chicken wing barbecue seasoning. Now, you could go ahead and throw it in a pot and just mix them up that way and get them coated, but we're gonna do it this way today. Gives a little bit better video effect. Just don't breathe in when you're seasoning these up or you're gonna sneeze. Woo! All right, so now we're going to town, Tyler. We're going to town, buddy. All right, so this chimney's burning nice and clean. Let's go ahead and get this into the Vortex. Just gonna go ahead and pour it straight in there. Fill her up. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the grate back on. You're gonna wanna go ahead and clean off this grate a little bit because yes, there's some ashes on there, but we are gonna go ahead and put these chicken wings right around that Vortex. We'll just clean off this grate a little bit. My buddy Chris, he's not probably the most preventive maintenance cleaner on when it comes to a grill. He calls it seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead and load up these wings real quick, and we're just gonna put them right in a kind of a circular fashion, right around this Vortex. You kind of want them even. Now I am going to flip these over in about 15 minutes and plan quite right, so I got to spread them out a little bit. But it's usually 3 packs from Costco in every kettle. And there's 3 packs. Tighten them up where you need to. You don't want them too tight up against the Vortex. Just that good, nice position, pretty much like that. All right, put on the lid and we're gonna set a timer for 15 minutes and then we're just gonna rotate them 180 degrees. And on wings, I usually cook them up to 185 degrees, so we're gonna push them above where they need to be. All right, so obviously this party is really getting going, but we're gonna go ahead and rotate these chicken wings now. And I do it man style and just roll them over. And it sucks because it gets hot. So if you don't have some good gloves, don't attempt it. And I'm also gonna start flipping some of this meat end towards that Vortex. But they're not looking bad for that first 15 minutes. We're burning really hot right now. And I probably should have looked at the temperatures on the dome, but hey, these are just chicken wings. All we care about is just making sure that they're done, and we'll check them before we pull them. And then we'll throw them into some sauce. All right, so we're gonna put the lid back on and set a timer for 15 minutes, but this time we're gonna put the vent over on this side. We want that to keep on getting different directional heat because then you get more even cooking. And that dog's found a bone. That's not one of our rib bones. All right, so another 15-minute timer went off. Let's go ahead and rotate these chicken wings. They are really getting good. We're almost to the point where we're ready to sauce them up. I can just tell, look at that beautiful color on that one. Wow. We still got a little bit more time because I don't see any clear juices coming out of them yet. They are looking really good. You better have really thick skin to do this with just a glove though. All right, so we're gonna put the lid on, but this time we're gonna face it in this direction. Again, we want that heat to come up and flow over the top of these chicken wings. Find my thermal pen, please. Now, today's video is sponsored by Wine Still Sold Out. And WTSO has wines across the world. Biggest thing is they're changing bottles daily. And another thing that's fantastic about WTSO is that they'll ship it right to your door. They have last chance wines, weekly tasting, and premium selection. And if you use my promo code BBQ20, you're gonna save yourself $10 on any purchase of $50 or more. That's almost like drinking for free. So head over to WTSO and get yourself some bottles of wine because I'm gonna tell you, there's nothing better than a great big old cookout and barbecue and wine combination. Now honestly, you just can't open up a bottle of Riesling without taking a drink. Thank you WTSO for sending me this Riesling, and I'm gonna tell you what, happy 4th of July. 180? Yeah, they're good. All right, grab that silver pan.
183.
Oh yeah, we're done. Dump it in there. Yep, keep on. Good.
Whoops. Hey! That one jumped right out of there. That's hot, that's hot.
Yeah, it's crazy hot. All right, so these are Suckle Buster's wings, and we're gonna do another batch, but I'm gonna tell you what, that people are hungry and I have no time anymore. But I just wanna say to everybody, happy 4th of July, and better check one of these. This pan is stupid hot, but these are really good. Oh yeah. These are Suckle Buster's wings for sure. Oh. Oh. We got more coming, Dale. Dogs, get out of here. Get that slipped right out of my hand with this.
I hope that makes the bloopers.
Oh yeah, it's going to. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Things happen though. I dropped the chicken wings right on the ground. Well, not all of them got wasted, but we had a few. Happens.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and become a subscriber. Turn on that notification bell because you don't want to miss my next video. I want to take 1 second and thank Dale and his family for inviting all of us over to that fantastic 4th of July celebration. It was awesome. And I even got a little toasted at the end, which made it a perfect day. Now, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Come on, quit walking around, please. Please, please don't walk around when I'm trying to record. I'm almost done. Somebody is doing something. Because that's pretty crazy farts then or something. You guys were like sitting in bed the whole time when before I started recording. As soon as I press record, everybody needs water. Everybody has to go to the toilet. Be careful, this is recording. It had nothing to do with being clumsy. Yeah. Dale went ahead and put that stupid stainless steel pot right on top of the kettle and was burning my hand. And I had freaking barbecue sauce all over it. And I dropped it. His fault, not mine. No.